guys, good morning. In this video we are going to discuss about how to create a effective bar chart. Creating a bar chart is fine because that is a very basic scenario of any kind of visualization we want to start with, because end of the day we will be having a lot of categorical variable, parallel the numeric variable comes in. So to understand the overall segment distribution, so ideally the bar chart comes in. So how to make it effective, the question comes in. Let's see some examples here so that you might have a better clarity on how to do it. Let's start with here. I would start with, let's take, we got a lot of states, right? Yep, let me take all the state. I click that. On top of it, maybe states would be misleading sometimes. I would go with category, because how many categories we have? We got 17 categories. Could be a cool bar chart. Now on top of it I would select, cool, let it be a profit. The profit comes in. On top of the profit I choose a bar chart. Cool, the bar chart comes in, right? Now look at it here. The visualization which has been generated here is basically the width level, and also, like, to be precise, it's just a tool here, maybe a tip here for Tableau always doesn't recommend you to create your visualization in a width property. It always recommend you to do in a height level property. So that's one of a Tableau's idea. So look at it here. If this is the case, the show me pane is actually like overlapping the bars that we have generated, so that we can reverse the rows into columns into rows using this icon. You can choose this. If not, exactly, the control plus W will help you to do it as a shortcut. So you can either click it, if not you can use control W. It will ideally do the same for you. Cool, then so if maybe like this works effective comparing with the other, simple as that. Now on top of this bar chart, let's take, I wanted to understand which category which one falls under. So let me take a category and then plot it into colors. Look at it. So this one which made an high number of sales is basically binders, and then the other one paper. One comes from office supplies. Unfortunately, like surprisingly, even the other comes from office supplies. Simple as that. We got very few segments, maybe like few properties, few subcategories is being generated from technology category, maybe like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Simple as that. It seems to be okay. Maybe like, can we have one more clear picture on it? Let's do a line shot on top of it, at least of, let me take profit and then put it into this one, sum of profit. Cool, then maybe let it be a label. Cool, you're getting a better idea, I guess. Now look at it here. Each and everything is being getting produced with the labels of the profit, but ideally the bar is not representing the profit of it, bar is representing the sales of it, but ideally the number is being giving you the sales of profit of it. Simple as that. This is one idea. On top of it, let me plot sum of profit, right? I would go with a line, sorry, and I would choose, okay, profit, right? I would take profit and put it into quantity. Now sum of profit, I would take it to line chart. Okay, it's been like getting a improper bandwidth, so that I'm removing it out now. Cool, then this may be making a better sense rather than the other. Cool. On top of it, what else we can add? Maybe like we have already added category, subcategory, and then the quantity, and then the profit together. This one bar chart is basically talking about these 4 properties together. It's not about talking just the category or subcategory level. It talks about 4 different properties with 2 different visualization. On top of it, maybe we can add a reference line to understand which one makes a better profit. Now the reference line that I wanted to do is not sum of quantity. I want to do it on profit, and then I don't want an average profit, because the average profit sometimes may be misleading. I don't want it to belay on average. I would give a constant, and then I would give you the value, like I don't want a 234. I would give any segment which has been performing less than of 10, maybe like 1000 USD should work, since maybe like I would put it for 3000 USD. Constant value, simple as that. Constant value, copying. Cool, then this works effective. Look at it here. Okay, it goes for quantity. Maybe I would go for, yeah, it's for quantity, so that I would go for number of quantities. It should have been sold is something that 300 should work. Cool. A reference line, which means that for this 300 reference line, this one copies is actually making less than of 300 sales, but still making a profit of 55 618, where everything else has been not making that kind of sales. Yeah, cool. Visualization comes in. Yeah, this is something, a kind of like idea that we can generate to create a good effective bar chart. Cool. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.